Alright, we're gonna be starting this lawnmower up. Which I will tell you what I've done to it. It was a Yard Machines. It has a twin heads, by the way. So I straight piped it, as you can tell. I painted this black. I did the whole light thing as a grill look. And we will be repainting this. So we're gonna be taking all this stuff off and all that to get this thing off, which should be relatively easy, it looks like. Yeah. So what have I done? I painted this black. We put a starting button on there. And the way we start this is we put a little starting fluid. I had to put a new... This one is still hot, so actually it might start on its own. Let's find out. No, it won't. Alright, let's check the gas. I put a new fuel line in where the fuel tank was. Yeah, because it was leaking. So let's get this off. Dang, I put this thing on pretty tight. Holy crap. Alright, take this cover off. Put that right there. Now we gotta get the air filter off. There we go. Let's get this off. Which I think I'm gonna put a new air filter in eventually. Just don't know when, but I will. Alright, get this all off. And then get this, take this off where it, I guess it stayed, so I'm gonna put the cap right here on this, so let's get the motor going. Spray some in there. Put that down here, ready? Nope. Did not work. So, try it again. Started up. I'll skip this process. Alright, it's all on. We also have the Cub Cadet, which I need a new carb for. But that's in here also, which is going to be probably pushed out soon. Well, let's get this door open. Alright. Because the switch don't work. As you can tell, is open the hood, and when you have the hood open, what you want to fucking do? What you want to do is you take the plug right off the spark plug, and it's killed. Put it back up. Put the hood down. There you go. Which needs to be cleaned off a little bit, but for right now we're gonna be working on this. And I guess we'll just start working on it. we got the battery tray out, and I got the pedals off so we can get this off, and I gotta get the seat off now. So we'll just go ahead and get this started off. There's some bad rust spots we're gonna have to clean off, but then we'll get this stuff off and clean it. Yeah. This is what it looks like underneath. Not too bad of rust. I mean, it's got some surface rust, but ain't nothing serious. Not yet, at least. So we're getting it back in the garage. That's where it's going to be for a little bit until we get it all painted and back on. Got it all primered on. Now paint tomorrow. Paint is on. Now we got to go over here. Grab these off. Which the thing, when I was painting, it made a crazy design on it. So it looks cool, I guess. And we're going to put those back on to the thing. So let me get this one and the one right here, which it made some wild designs too, which it looks kind of freshened up a little bit. Alright, so let me get this all back on. Okay, so we have these on. We got the thing back where it should be and all where it line it up now, so it fits where these mounts are for the seat, right like that. Oh yeah, she's gonna look good. Seat on, back on, and the battery and that tray back in. So that's all on. Now we gotta get the shift knobs back on too. And yeah, and then we gotta get another floor for that one. Put that back in, then put the other floor, and gotta put the pedals back on. Got the pedals back on now, and so now we gotta get one of these. Well, I decided we're not going to put those four things back on. We're just going to leave it like it is. Yeah, we'll back it out and get it back at it where it was. Got it started.